Previously on Designing My Dream Home, we looked at the man cave, living room and dining room. Now today we're going to be looking at the gym, kitchen, sauna slash bath and the washroom. Along with art, I love architecture and interior designing, but I'm not trained in any of these fields. I always want to know what my house would look like in the future, so I choose to do this as a fun hobby, to look for designs I like, and I'm going to do it with you guys. You can follow along. Just note, my focus is never on material things but my soul. Okay, so I'm going to start by looking at the gym. So the first one we're going to look at is the gym, and we're going to look at images of gyms. I'm going to put in home gym to see the setup and stuff like that. This setup is really nice, but the thing about the home gym is I want it to be simple for me, but my husband will probably want a lot of tools and stuff like that. So I'm gonna save this in a new tab. But I don't think we need a lot of tools in the gym, just some main things that we really want, because probably not going to even use it as much. So it's best to just get what we really need in the home gym. I'm gonna put home gym organization, home gym organization ideas. Alright, so this is a nice simple one here. I want the gym to be turned towards the pool, so I'm gonna put home gym turn towards the pool. Alright, this is a good one. This is a good one here. Save image and new tab. For some of these things you can probably go on Pinterest also, get ideas. I don't want a large gym. I don't want a pool inside. Pool inside would be nice, but I'm very minimalistic. I don't want a lot of things in my house. I don't want to do a lot. This is a good one here. Even a new tab. Alright, this is a good one. Yes, so the mirror there. I also want a mirror in my gym. So this would be the mirror, and this would be turned towards the pool. Oh yes, this is perfect. I like this. Copy image. So I think I found everything. That was very easy. So let's take a look at what we found. Alright, this is good. So look at this now. See how organized it is. So I can pull from this and understand how to set up like the dumbbells and the treadmills and all of those things. So this is a good one to follow. This one here, it's small, it's perfect. I think this is a good size for a gym, for a home gym. I think this is a good size. These machines would be perfect. Probably just one though, or two, because probably me and my husband could exercise together. Probably two of each item, so that would be good there. So it's not a large gym. This area is nice. I like how they set up the stretchy bands and stuff. I have a lot of stretch bands also, so that's a good idea of how to hang them up, so you can still pull from this too for the setup. I also want my gym turned towards the pool, so this is a good idea, good example of that. This is another good one there. This is a good one, and I want a large mirror over here. You have the mirror, I like the windows with the bright lights coming in. So that is it. So I'm gonna go offline and see what I can find. Alright guys, so this is one of the images that I got. So this is an example here with the large mirror. This is another one, just two, me and my husband working out together. Or if me and my husband is not working out, my son and my daughter can work out together. So just two. In the gym is going to be a sauna, is going to be a bath, sauna and toilet in one, next to the gym or on the level of the gym, the same floor as the gym. Alright, so these are the sauna. Alright, look at these people. They have the sauna over here and they have the toilet over here. So in addition, I would add a bath to it somewhere, so it would be 3 in 1, if you understand what I mean. Let's see if I can find anything else. So it's the bath, the sauna and the toilet. That is going to be in the gym or on the same level as the gym. No, probably in one. Let me see. Bath, sauna. Let's take it off. I'll probably just combine everything in one room. I don't want everything in one room. It should be separated. I'm not seeing any right now. But that example that I just showed you is a good one. What is this one? Alright, look at this cutesy. This is a sauna. This is the bath. But I want them separated. Alright, so that's a no-go there. Oh my god, look at this one. You have the shower here, the toilet here, and the sauna here. Oh, copy image. It's a good one there, peeps. That's an excellent example of what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is it again at a different angle. So it can work, people. 3 in 1, it can work. This is another one, the shower, the toilet. Alright, so I got my images, copy, opening new tab. I got my images there. Right, yes. So all of these over on this side is showing a good example of the bathroom, the sauna, and the toilet area for the gym. Alright, so this is what we got so far for the bathroom, the sauna, and the toilet. So this is the toilet, this is the sauna, and probably over here can have the bathroom. This is another one. This is a perfect example. This can be the shower, the toilet, and the sauna. Toilet, shower, sauna. Alright guys, so this is the sauna and the bathroom and the toilet here. So this is a good example of what I want. Isn't it cute, guys? Come on now, tell me this isn't cute. So that is it for the gym. Cutesy putesy. So that is it for the gym and the bath and the sauna. So now we're going to be looking at the kitchen, which is my favorite part, guys. We're gonna be looking at the kitchen. First of all, guys, I must tell you that I want my kitchen to be very fancy. Me not lie to you. Want my kitchen baby top class. I mean, I want a cupboards. Let's say that in proper English. So here's the thing now. Don't be shocked, but I do not want any cupboards in my kitchen. What? You do not want any cupboards in the kitchen? Yes, I do not want any cupboards in my kitchen. I will explain along the way. Alright, so first, I want a L-shaped kitchen. L-shaped island. I don't want any centerpiece island. Let's centerpiece island. I don't know if that's what it's called, but look at this. You see how this look like a table? I don't want anything like that. I want it to be attached to the wall or something like that and goes around. Alright, look at this, guys. You see like how this is like that? I want an L-shaped one just like this, but this end should be attached to the wall. I don't want any island. And then a part of this, just like how this is stage with the chair, that is how I want my seating. Different chairs though, those are very ugly. Not sure if I'm going to find exactly what I want, and I have to be precise with this kitchen. Oh my god. Alright, look at this one. Yes, wait, almost, just almost. Don't get too excited now. I'm gonna open that in a new tab. Alright, look at this. This is just too much. One island here, so one island. No, baby girl. No, baby girl. Alright, look at this now. This is a cute. This is probably, what they call it? Waterfall Island. Something like that. I don't know. Something about Waterfall Island. Where it just seems like it's a seamless curve go down. Yes, that is what I want. And then this part would attach to the wall. I want that. I don't know if I'm gonna find anything. That's the thing. And it's going to be, and it would take too long, so I probably would have to cut out a lot of what I'm oh my god. Alright, see it here, my peeps. See it here, my peeps. This clean and nice, see? Open a new tab. Alright, look on this. Oh, clean and nice. Look there. Minimalistic. Want the stove on the island. I think there would have to be a part two for this, cause my god, this is beautiful. Alright, so at the house that I'm living in now, it doesn't have like one of those ventilation thingies. You see this part up here, so house doesn't have it, but I would want it for my house. So I'm also looking for that. No, I mentioned that I don't want any cupboards. The reason why I don't want any cupboards, alright, look at this. You see how the wall just look clean and empty, and well, for me, person would say it doesn't look clean and empty, but for me it looks clean and sleek and empty. That is why I don't want any cupboards. And plus I'm short. I'm not going to be able to reach half of those cupboards anyhows. And probably my husband is not going to be around all the time to help me to catch items or get items up there. So why the sense I have cupboards? So you want to know where I'm going to put the plates and stuff? Alright, here how it's going to go now, peeps. Alright, so L-shaped island. No. Alright, if you're done with the island now, I've already established the type of island that I want, and you guys saw that. So now I'm going to put in kitchen with no cupboards. Alright, so look at this example now, peeps. This is a good one, but I don't want nothing on the wall. You see that? This is good, but I don't want anything on the wall. If so, these are lights. Lights are okay, but I don't want any extra on the wall. Alright, look at this one. You see, it just look clean and empty. That's just me. As I said, the less things, the less work. The less things, the less work. Probably I should go on Pinterest if I'm looking for specific things like those. This is a good one. Look at this now, guys. Clean and sleek. I don't want anything there. Opening a new tab. Alright, so you want to know where I'm going to put the plates now. Alright, kitchen with cupboards with plates in the island. So guys, this is an excellent one. You probably can't see it, but the plates are going to be in the island. So that is why it's going to be a large L-shaped island. So this is the next one here. Opening tab. What if I can find any clear view? Clear view. Oh my god, look at this, people. Opening tab. Oh my god, let's see. Alright guys, so this is where my plates are going to go. You get me? So I don't want any cupboards. This is where my plates are going to go, and also in the pantry. Boom. Alright, so guys, you get the idea now. Let's look back at what we got so far. Alright, L-shaped island, guys. So picture this side being attached to the wall. It's not attached because if you look at the ground level, it's not attached. So it should be long like this with the chairs right there. Yes. This is clean and sleek and nice like that. This is nice also. No cupboards. But probably if I want like a shelf. But I don't think I want any shelf. No, baby girl. This is a good one too. Walls are clean, nice. Big windows, etc. The windows, by the way, these windows would definitely not open. Most of them will definitely not open because I don't want flies to come in and bugs. Alright. My wall should be clean and sleek with this thing here. Alright. The jars, the plates are going to be in the jars. Dried plates. Alright. So there's a lot more that I want to include in the kitchen, like the countertops, the stove, where the wet plates are going to go, etc. So I'm gonna go offline and see what I can find and come back to you guys. Alright guys, so I'm back. So these are the images that I found for my kitchen. So I want something like this, the storage area for the mop and the cleaning stuff for the kitchen. The fridge is going to be there. You have that countertop there. The large L-shaped island here. Here you have that little thing coming down. I don't remember what it's called. Clean walls. Alright, look at this, guys. You see how the wall clean? That backdrop there, me like that little black backdrop there. So, is it nice and clean? Yes. And things can also be in these jars also. This is going to be my little coffee nook thingy in the kitchen, in a section in the kitchen. This right here is the jars with the plates. This right here where the chairs are going to go. I'm not sure if I want a stainless steel thing like this, but I'm just designing, guys. It's just an idea. Just an idea. Stove tops. I would have to research different stove tops and stuff for the kitchen. Alright. So this is another one, another part of the kitchen. And as I said, I'm going to store some plates and pans and also things like that in the pantry. So that is why I have it there. And remember last week I mentioned that the pantry and the kitchen, not the pantry, the dining room and the kitchen going to share the pantry. So yes, I researched some other things on that. And the kitchen should be facing the pool area, the plunge pool. It's not a big pool. These are just ideas for a smaller size house, but as I said, if God provide, I would take it. But I'm not worried about this. It's just a fun hobby to just see what I like. I see what I would like. Alright, so this is another one here. Pantry, the kitchen, the bright lights coming in, the L-shaped island, and there you have my little table coming in, etc. Alright. Alright, so what we're going to look at now is the washroom. I'm not sure what I want in a washroom. The washroom can be anything. It's not washroom, so why it is look like so. Probably it's not a washroom. Probably it is a what do you call laundry room. Sorry, it's not a it's not a washroom, it's a laundry room. Sorry. A laundry, not sure we call it washroom in Jamaica, so they call it laundry room in other parts. Okay then. Alright, so this is a eye-catching one here. My laundry room can be anything, guys. Anything. Two machines. I think I can have cupboards in there. I have no problem with cupboards, but to make sure I'm doing the right thing. Oh, and I want like racks like this to hang clothes to let them hair dry, if anything. I'm gonna do a bit more research offline and see what I would like for the washroom, and then show you some pictures and why I selected those pictures. Alright guys, so this is what I selected for the washroom. Alright, so you have a cupboard here, the cupboards are there, the washroom, yeah, the washroom, the washing machine, a dryer can come here, you have a shelf there. That's a good one. I think I would want the machines to be up a bit more so I don't bend my back. So that is a good idea. Things to hold the clothes like this, that's a good one. A sink to probably wash out stuff and then put it in the machine if anything. This again, it's raised, so that's a good idea. I would like the iron board to be also in the washroom, so that's a good idea, but nothing fancy for the washroom, just cute, simple and minimalistic. And there you go guys. Alright, So now we just completed looking at the gym, kitchen, bath, sauna and toilet, and the washroom. So now next week we'll be looking at the best area for last on the downstairs is the art room slash my office. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.